His voice is a haunting voice. Why they are not releasing the whole tape? If they say that Amit Shah has praised them, Baba Sahib, then they should release the whole tape. The future of this country is at stake if this bill is passed. If this bill is passed, the beginning of the end of political parties will. There is no more federal structure. Congress party, which has the largest member in the House, they have to take a stand. The future of this country is at stake if this bill is passed. If this bill is passed, the beginning of the end of political parties will begin. मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि I would say this, that while discussing Constitution on the 75th year, many lost the opportunity of highlighting what was said by RSS in the 47, 48, 49 and 50 and what was system was a part of the Constitution. मेरे ख्याल से उस पर अगर harp होता, if it was harp on those issues, I think so the people would have been enlightened as to why this bill has come.
Opposition says that it will, end the federal structure of the country.
See, its question is federal structure has already ended. There is no more federal structure. The states are dependent upon center for their financial with GST. तो उनकी स्वायत्त उनकी autonomy जो है, their autonomy has already withered away. Now the withering away of the political parties will begin once this bill is passed.
You also spoke about a dictatorship.
Yeah, it's a beginning of if you don't have any political party, it's a beginning of a dictatorship.
So who should take a command?
Yeah, I'm saying it's the Congress party which has the largest member in the House. They have to take a stand, and that stand should not be wavering stand. It should be equivocal stand and a stand which they are not going to change. And I give them just 5 or 7 days for framing their stand. If they don't, then this bill will be passed.
One last question, sir. Amit, a lot of uproar is happening on road and in Parliament after Amit Shah's statement. BJP says that only part of the clip has been used in the social media to defame Amit Shah. Amit Shah also praised Ambedkar. It's Congress versus BJP over Ambedkar. How do you see?
The Congress BJP should release the whole tape. Why they are not releasing the whole tape? If they say that Amit Shah has praised them, Baba Sahib, then they should release the whole tape. What has come into the public domain is that his voice is a haunting voice. That means a taunting voice. Why are you saying Ambedkar? You should say God, God, God. So that is where I think so the hatred is exhibited.
Who is right here, Congress or BJP? Because both says that we have given the place.
The question is basically Dr. Ambedkar himself made a place in the history. Nobody has given him. He guided the nation. He gave the rule to the nation. And his biggest contribution, which has not been accepted by the Hindus, that none of the leaders of his time had any idea as to how India should be. He gave it a shape by writing a book which is called Thoughts on Pakistan, where he advocated that Hindus should have their own land. And if the Hindus want to have their own land, they should grant the west of India to the Pakistan, to the Muslims, and let them rule. So he is the first person in this country who advocated a nation for the Hindus. Even after getting the nation for the Hindus, it is the Hindus who are criticizing him.
So one last question, sir. how do you feel when these things happen?
It's nothing. See, the question is we have seen this happening, so it doesn't make any difference. This is an accepted part that the whole society has not changed. A part of a society has changed. Part of a society has to change. So efforts have to be made to change that part of the society which has not changed.
Any advices to both the parties, both the sides?
No, nothing.